Okay. So, we're gonna make a Lego flashlight gun thing. You need one of those, a binoculars, and a gun. This one's pretty easy. You just put that onto the tip of the gun, and yeah, I probably should buy a tripod for my camera. And put the binoculars onto there, and it's kind of like a flashlight. And no, it's not like a shotgun, it's like a flashlight, because I said so. So how do you like them apples?